Hey everyone, it's Lee Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. And this was an easy one. You know what it's going to be about. So let me show you what took place in the trade room this week. It was awesome. It's earnings season. You know the deal. So let me show you. Please remember all the trades we discuss are for educational purposes. It is possible to lose money trading futures. Well, I would say that one of the most popular stocks that people love to watch, that people love to trade, has to be Tesla. Tesla, a couple of years ago, they were not releasing their earnings in a manner in which we could trade them. But over the past year or so, Tesla changed the way they release their earnings. They're more consistent in terms of them being released at a tradable time on a regular basis. And that's very important on earnings. If we can do our research and figure out that a stock is going to release their earnings at a time that's similar most quarters, or at least close, then we can set up a trade. So we've got a special setup with Tesla now, and this week was our third Tesla trade. So let me show you what happened. It might have been our fourth. At least I know we've done at least three. We've had three winners in a row and one stop out. So it's a year now that we've been trading Tesla. Tesla's earnings came out at 1604 and some seconds. You could see that it exploded to the upside. And what's very interesting, it went through all of our targets. It scared us a little bit by pulling back. By the time Tesla was done, it was only about a 25-second trade. There it goes, blowing through all my targets. $585 profit on Tesla. Members in the room, we had a member that made over $1,000. A whole group of people made very similar money to what I made, which is awesome. It was a very successful trade, a little bit nerve-wracking, because Tesla looked like it was going to pull back. And then the truth is, Tesla's earnings were not that great. Now, if you notice, we don't care what the earnings are. All we care about is that there be a tradable move at the moment that the earnings come out. Our tradable move, as you could see, exploded to the upside, and the stock initially exploded to the upside. So I thought initially the earnings were good. But it turned out that the major move in Tesla was to the short side. But that's not how we trade it. We trade that initial explosion. The initial explosion went long. It went long steady, and it was steady enough to give us a big fat profit, almost $600 on just three contracts. So a very successful winning Tesla trade. Awesome for members as well. It's obvious. People love trading Tesla. It is the trade of the week. So thanks for watching. It's Lee Goldstein, the Trading Director, and I just want to make sure that you know that we have a very special deal. You could start trading earnings with us. Let me show you the deal. I normally never sell in Trade of the Week videos, but earnings season starts for real. This deal expires Monday night, because if you sign up by Monday night, you could take advantage of this offer and trade with us for the rest of this quarter. Already we've got a Netflix winner this week, a Tesla winner this week, a very teeny tiny winner on Goldman Sachs. Here's what we're offering. We're going to have at least 10 new earnings workshops. Microsoft, Facebook, Intel, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta is now Facebook, and some of them will be combined. In other words, sometimes the companies like Google sometimes releases with Microsoft, but it's over a $2,000 value. And we're also going to include a month of our software, a subscription, and all the recordings from quarter three, plus our previous on-demand masterclass recording of earnings. All of this is worth over $3,000. You're going to get which markets, which earnings we trade, the tools we use, the one-click range setup, the breakout setup, all our processes, the trade setup, single contract ideas, how to use replay. I'm going to guide you through all of this for just $297. www.tradeearningsnow.com. Why not take advantage of this great trading of earnings? We really found a unique way to do it. $297 for over $3,100 worth of value. www.tradeearningsnow.com. We'd love to see you in our special new earnings trade room. Hope you enjoyed the trade of the week. Tesla for sure this week. Netflix was a close second. I'll see you next week in the trade room. Take care.